Liver friend, hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be teaching you on how to change your channel description, the part that talks about your channel, into different languages so that you can reach your viewers into their own languages and they can understand what your channel is about in their own languages. Watch this video to the end. It's a very short video and you're gonna learn how easy it is. Log into your YouTube account, then go and click on your profile picture up there, the little circle. Then click on your channel. You will see customize channel and manage videos. Click on customize channel. Then it opens to YouTube Creator Studio. Just a little minute for it to open. Then it opens. You see channel customization. You see your channel details down on the side. Then you will see layout under the channel customization, branding and basic information. You click on basic info. Then you will see your channel description. That is what you want to change to multiple languages. Just go down, scroll down. You can see that on I've already added several languages. So let me show you how you can add multiple. You can translate it into multiple languages. You go down there, you see add language. If you have any language, you just see down there add language. So you will go click on add language. Then you see the language that your channel description is on. Mine is in English, so you see English, my name and my channel description. Then on this side, for whoever may not know what channel description is, it talks about what your channel is about. So on the side here you see translation language, so you select the language that you want to translate your description into. So let me choose Albania. Then here is the channel name. Don't change your channel name, so you just this same name that is here, you write it here. So the same name, and the channel description is the exact thing that you've written here. So the only way you can do this is copy this information that is here, go to Google Translator or Depot Translator, copy paste it there, translate it into Albania to the language that you've chosen, and then come and paste it here. And after you're done, you click done. Don't forget to click done after you're done. And that's it. That's how you add you change your channel description into different languages, and you can add as much language as you want.